1.
Hello, my name is Karen. I will mention the situational reality analysis. The project was developed in the La Cumbre 7-Day Adventist Church with the Pathfinder Club made up of young people between 10 and 15 years of age. The church is located in an urban commercial area. There we can find businesses such as clothing, store, shoes, bank, restaurant, among others. The problem identified we center on the inadequate management of solid waste that was evident in street, parks, and social areas full of waste. The thing to work on in the project was the proper management of solid waste using the 3 R's and teaching young people the color established to separate waste. The community was also impacted by doing cleanup day. This project bears the title of Friends of Nature.
Education. First, integral education. How do we achieve it? Through our knowledge about environmental care. Second, learning a second language associated with a continuous knowledge of one's own environment. Third, strengthening the personality through the use of English and critical thinking through environmental care. Overall objective: implement environmental awareness activities through learning English for the community of the La Cumbre neighborhood. Specific objectives: first, identify the environmental problems presented by the community of the La Cumbre neighborhood. Second, expose the utility that should be given to recycled resources following the currently established biosafety standards. 3. Execute a social impact to the community of the summit on the proper management of solid waste and care of the environment. Improvement proposal. First, student-led brigades to raise awareness in the community. Second, provide information on the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Third, creating environmental awareness by involving our people.
In our project, we implementing an schedule of activities which allows to have order and achieve all the objectives. The purpose was to implement environmental awareness activities through learning English to the community of La Cumbre neighbor. My colleague Tania will tell us about the process and results of the project. We also created some very interesting instruments to measure the effectiveness of the Friends of the Nature project.
The implementation of the Friends of Nature project is divided into 3 stages. 1. Notice of the 3 R's. 2. Classify what you know. And 3. Social impact. The evaluation process was carried out through 1. Checklist and 2. Survey. The children of the Church Adventista Sétimo Día acquired knowledge in English, highlighting vocabulary related to the ecological theme.